Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. My name's Eben. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing for a lot of important information on your vehicle. So today we're out here at, Today is Gears and Grinds, which is a bi-weekly car meetup, I believe, every Sunday, right here at the Baguette. It's a French cafe, and I have the coffee and everything else. And basically what we do is we just hang out, talk cars, all kinds of different enthusiasts. And it's pretty cool. And today we got some SEMA cars, I believe. We have a really cool Acura. Looking forward to doing an oil change on a vehicle like that. That'd be pretty cool. And we also have the older one. So they're doing a little photo shoot. You can see we got our wet ground, you know, for the whole effects. And there they are. We got the old Acura, the new one. Pretty cool. So yeah, we're just chilling out. And if you guys get a chance to visit the car show, definitely bring your car out. There's lots of really cool cars, a lot of Nissans. I bring my Corvette, you know. It doesn't fit in as much as some of the other cars, but hey, it's a lot of fun. So feel free to bring out whatever you have. And we'll be here hanging out. All right, and stay tuned. We're going to be doing a Honda Pilot transmission fluid change coming up. We're also doing the coolant on it and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, definitely. All right, and if you guys have any questions about the AMSOIL, you can always reach out to me. Happy to help you out anytime. All right, we'll see you guys back probably Monday or Tuesday. Cheers.